Oh, no, it's moving.
Oh, that's better. You're gonna get. That's coming out.
I feel a bit like to Jenny on the Gladiator. Wranglers, are you ready?
Yes!
No.
So,
Sure.
you've all been through your packs.
Yep.
You've all got your bits and pieces. So in there you've got your passport. Alright. So when you go out, you've got a pencil. So if you see any scorpions, you write down how many scorpions you've seen. Alright. You've also got a history book about our dockyard. Now, a bit of history about the wall. About 200 years ago, the wall was built. There were 7,000 people living in Bluetown. 30 pubs. It was a bit of a... Have you anyone seen the Pirates of the Caribbean film? It was like that. All right. So what they did is that they built a wall to separate where people lived and where they worked. And if you look along the wall, you'll see some granite blocks. And on those granite blocks came the scorpions. So they've been here a long, long time. Because we're a port, other insects come in on cargoes, so you've got spiders. So we've got a whole ecosystem living in our wall. So that's the history of the dockyard, why it's here, and all of that. You've got a high-vis jacket, a bit big for some of you, but you've got a little compass, and you should have 2 badges, one for Bluetown and the Scorpion Wrangler badge. Have you got those? All right, and your uniform. So you've got all your bits and pieces. Now, you are going to be in a public road, so you must be careful.
May I have a tool?
If I've got a spare one, you can have a spare one.
You try to get back.
But I do need them back if you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, so please be careful when you're out there, because you'll get carried away looking at the scorpions and you may not see any cars that are coming. Also, they are living creatures. Dan's going to give us a bit of a do's and don'ts about what you can do when you're looking for scorpions. All right? Do you want to go? Yeah.
Yeah, of course. So when dealing with the scorpions, we are here to look at them. So no touching, no prodding, no poking, no collecting. Keep the distance. If you see one, call people over to have a look at it, take photos, but just try and leave them alone.
Otherwise, I will be watching you.
Yes, because they do sting.
Yeah.
You
The
know,
sting-
so it's just respect for them,
Yeah,
isn't it?
the sting, should you get stung by one, shouldn't cause too much of a problem. It's like a very mild bee sting at worst. But you still don't want to be able to see one.
So the reason that we set up the Scorpion Wranglers group is that we want to protect our scorpions. We want to do some serious research, and this was a bit of fun trying to get people to take us seriously. And so if we can get some entomologists to help us look at our ecosystem, we know that there are thousands of scorpions in the dockyard side. We're just going to look on the wall on the inside because we're not allowed inside the dockyard. All right, we're going to split into 2 groups. So Tom and all the little ones, if you can go with John in your group. If Oliver, Charlotte, and all of you older ones in one group, Adrian, could you be looking after? I'd like you to make note of is things that we need to be aware of if we are taking out older children.
Yeah.
All right. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And Janet, you're going.
Yeah, I'll go with that.
Can I just ask the mums and dads? We've got Lucy and Tom from the Times here. They're going to take some photos. Is everybody happy to be photographed?
Yeah, we've asked everyone.
Everybody's done their
Yeah, so
Yes.
I suppose I'm okay with it. My ex-partner, not so much with her. So I'll try and keep her.
Just wanna stay in this paradise. 'Cause it looks like you're a fallen angel, and wherever you have been now, baby, I don't wanna know, don't wanna fight, just wanna stay in this paradise. If only for stay in this paradise. If only for a minute longer. Just wanna stay in this paradise. Come on, baby. So come on, baby, and hurt me. Let's see what you got. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. Doesn't matter what we'll be. Still been through a lot. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. 'Cause it feels like On and on till we go crazy until the dawn, and it feels like I'm on fire. On and on till we go crazy until the dawn, and it feels like I'm on fire now. Feels like I'm on fire now. Is this paradise? Is this paradise? So come on, baby, and hurt me. Let's see what you got. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. Doesn't matter what we'll be. Still been through a lot. Hurt me, touch me, feel me. 'Cause it feels like paradise. Feels like paradise. Is this paradise?
I could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't do it, no, no way I'm saying so. I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give in when you want it your way, but I won't do it, no, no way I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. where we're heading, where this story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero. No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul.